Good morning, 7th class. Last question is left of exercise 7.2, so we will do this question. In this question, he is saying explain why triangle ABC is congruent triangle FEDK. Okay, we did 4 rules. Now in this question, we will use 5th rule also. But this 5th rule will come in 9th class. Okay, so only one question is there of 5th rule. So this is the which rule? देखिए, angle and side. It means AS. Okay, we will write here in triangle ABC and triangle FED, angle A is equal to, these two lines are there and two lines are here. Angle A is equal to angle F. Then angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E. And then this BC side is equal to DE. ED. BC is equal to ED. Reason is given. These all three parts are given in the question. So by AAS, by angle side rule, triangle ABC congruent होगा triangle FEDK. ठीक है? Hence proof. Now this chapter is finished. We will start symmetry chapter 14 chapter. Chapter 14 is symmetry. You did symmetry in previous class also. Symmetry lines divide the figure into equal parts. Okay? In this question, there are some. In this question, first question is copy the figures and with punched holes. These are punched holes and find the axis of symmetry for the following. Okay? So in first figure, how we will find out the axis of symmetry? Like this. Okay? And this line divides this figure into two equal parts. Okay? Now in this figure, like this, the symmetry line will come. Now this symmetry line divide the figure into two equal parts. Now here this horizontal symmetry line will come. This line is divide the figure into two equal parts, and here also horizontal. Okay? Now in this, how many symmetry lines will come? 1, because there are 4 punched holes. 1, then 2, then 3, and last one is 4. Okay, now 4 are there. In this, only one axis of symmetry will come. देखो, from this circle, only one. Then this part and this part will be equal. Now in this triangle, vertical axis line of symmetry will come, and in this triangle, horizontal line of symmetry will come. Okay? And in this triangle again, vertical line will come. Here also vertical. Here vertical also and horizontal also. Okay? And here only vertical line will come. Okay? So these are the axes of symmetry. Second question is, given the lines of symmetry, find the other holes. Now symmetry line is given, you have to find the other hole. If this is symmetry line, then this part and this part should be equal. So how we will find the hole? If one hole is there, then second hole will be there. And here if one hole is there, then second hole will be there. One hole is here, then second hole is here. And this hole is here, then second hole is here. Okay? So this is the line of symmetry. Now third question, you have to complete this figures. This is a mirror image है ना. Mirror में हम सामने एकदम प्लीज अपोजिट दिखते हैं ना, हमारी इक्वल आती है फोटो. तो दिस इज द सिमेट्री लाइन. तो if there is this part, then after symmetry line same part will come here. So draw same part here also and here also. Rest parts are homework of this third question. You have to do these first question, second question, third, fourth. First four question you have to do in book only. ठीक है. Fourth question beta, fourth question you have to do yourself. In fourth question he is saying identify multiple lines of symmetry. You have to draw only symmetry lines in fourth question. Fourth question you have to do in book only. ठीक है. Seventh question is state the number of lines of symmetry. Now 7, 8, 9, 10. These four questions you have to do in notebook. ठीक है. Now first an equilateral triangle. First of all draw an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle there are three lines of symmetry because all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Then an isosceles triangle. Now in this triangle two sides are equal. ठीक है. These two sides are equal, so only one line of symmetry we can draw. ठीक है. Next is scalar triangle. In scalar triangle all sides are different, so there is no line of symmetry. A square. In square all four sides are equal, so there we can draw four lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle. In rectangle only opposite sides are equal, so we can draw only two here lines of symmetry. F a rhombus. Rhombus also only sides are equal and angle is not of 90 degree. So only two lines of symmetry are there. And how we can draw? Like this. In diagonal form we can draw two lines of symmetry in rhombus. Then a parallelogram. Because all sides are not equal, only parallel, so there is no line of symmetry. Similarly in quadrilateral there is no line of symmetry. Regular hexagon. If it is regular means equal, all six sides are equal, then we can draw six lines of symmetry in regular hexagon. Then in a circle, you know that in circle we can draw infinite or many lines of symmetry. Eighth question, what letters of English alphabet have reflectional symmetry about? First is a vertical mirror. It means you have to write the letters in those. You have to write those letters in which we can draw a vertical symmetry line. ठीक है? So which are those alphabetic letters? First is A. We can draw vertical line. Then after A there is H. Okay. Then I, M. You can write name. You can write only letters also, or you can draw symmetry lines also. ठीक है. A, H, I, M. Then D. Sorry, D नहीं. U, O, U, T, V and W, X and Y. If Y is written like that, then you can draw vertical line. Now horizontal. Horizontal will be B. ठीक है. Horizontal means like this, and sleeping line you have to draw. Then C, D, E, H. After H, what will come? I, O again and X. ठीक है. Now C part, both horizontal and vertical, जिसमें horizontal भी हो और vertical भी हो. So it will be O X I H. देखो, there is vertical also, horizontal also, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Ninth question, give 3 examples of shapes with no line of symmetry. ठीक है, जिसमें एक भी symmetry line नहीं है. That is parallelogram, scalene triangle and trapezium. ठीक है, all sides are different of these 3 figures, so those have no line of symmetry. 10th question, what another name can you give to the line of symmetry of, first is an isosceles triangle. ठीक है, so if I am drawing here an isosceles triangle, देखो, isosceles means these two sides are equal. I am drawing symmetry line. ठीक है, so he is saying what other name can you give to the line of symmetry. तो इसको हम और क्या बोलेंगे, what is the another name of this line of symmetry. This is called median also. You know na about median. Median means that line that divides the opposite line into two equal parts. So the line of symmetry is also dividing this figure into two equal parts. So this and this part are equal. So this line of symmetry is called median also. And in a circle, if there is a circle and you have to draw symmetry line like this. So now what is the another name of this symmetry line? Because this it is passing from the center, so it is called diameter also. ठीक है, in circle this is called diameter and in this isosceles triangle it is called median.